Hello po at isang manigong bagong taon sa inyong lahat. January 4 na po, Wednesday. Mabuhay po kayo. Welcome po sa The Stock Market today. Nirevise ko po yung aking dividend yield for the REITs. Pinalabas ko po ito kahapon. Pero yung original po ay pinalabas ko po noong January 2. So, nag-revise po tayo ng January 3 dahil sa comment po ng ating mga subscribers. Ang ating balita ay tungkol sa DDMPR. Alam niyo po, ang DDMPR ang may pinakamataas na dividend yield. Ito po ay mayroong 7.72% based on an annualized dividend payment during 2023. So kung hindi pa ninyo napapanood ang aking video, ay panoorin nyo po. Ako po si Benji Chadoro, isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Binabalita ko po araw-araw ang inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market o tungkol sa wealth management, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Mas nasabi ko po dito, hindi po financial advice. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, January 4, 2022, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, ang ating headlines ay galing po sa Video Securities. Philippine factory activity hits 6-month high in December. Philippine debt hits 13.6 trillion in November. MREIT on track to expand portfolio to 500,000 square meters. PEZA endorses 1.325 IT BPMs transfer to BOI, and Prime Infra forms advisory council for Malapaya programs. Pero ang ating main news ay galing po sa Business World. DDMP REIT targets new tenants from more sectors. DDMP REIT is looking to diversify its tenant mix in the next 3 years as it banks on its properties' prime location and new locators, which include government offices. As new industries come, it is an opportune time for DDMPR to further diversify its tenancy mix across various industries. The listed real estate investment trust, sponsored by Double Dragon Properties Corp., said in its 3-year investment strategy. Target tenants include those coming from the banking, insurance, financial services, technology, media, and service sectors, as well as government agencies. Among the company's investment objective is to achieve sustainable growth in the distribution and returns through contracted escalation rates, cost-efficient operation, and augmented growth through acquisitions. DDMPR will stick to giving long-term fixed rent contracts with its major tenants, which can provide the company with stable income. Typical office lease terms will be fixed for 3 to 10 years. Okay, so yan po ang ating main news. Pero one thing about DDMPR is yung kanyang presyo ngayon, as of December 31 ay 1.29. Pero as of ngayon, tingnan po natin ang DDMPR. Ngayon po ay 10.58, nasa 130. So, yan po ay about a 42% decrease from its IPO price of 225. Pero, yung dividend yield po niya ay 7.72 dahil ang presyo po niya ngayon ay, as of December 31, ay 1.29. Yun po ang denominator. Yung ating presyo as of December 31. Okay. And then, let's take a look at the PSE index as of 10:59. ang PSE ay nasa 6694.41 or up 108.40 points, 1.65%. Tingnan natin yung mga indicators. Ha? Okay, yung most active stock is TEL, up 3.25%, nasa 1399 na from 1230. No? And next is Ali, then SM, Converge, puro up po ito, green po sila. And yung pinaka-top gainer is Ferro-Nickel with a 19.5% increase. No? Tumaas kaya nickel, kaya ganito. SPNEC is 4.17% up. Now Corporation is 3.42% up. Okay, so let's take a look at your comments. So sabi po ni Bupi 2T, Sir, Happy New Year. Comment ko lang po, gumanda yung audio quality ninyo. Naku, salamat po. Kasi hindi po maingay. Condenser mic po ang ginagamit ko, except nung nag-record po ako ng reads. Ang ginamit ko po doon ay yung directional microphone. Kaya po medyo maganda po yung quality. Pero pagka condenser mic, kailangan po tahimik na lugar. Kung mapunta po ako sa maingay na lugar na hindi po maganda. Bupi 21, Sir, thank you. Abangan ko po yung incoming top 10 dividend stock sa PSE. Opo, gagawin po natin yon. Abangan nyo lang po. Paulo Araneta, Happy New Year. More power to you and your channel. Maki Uso, nice video. Salamat po. And then, meron pa po tayo dito. Fernando Dumok, thank you, sir, for adjusting the REIT yields based on our inputs and your annualized calculation and presenting a revised tabulation. Oh, salamat din po for your comments. Okay, so I'll be back later as the PSE ends, no, or closes. Stay tuned. Okay, we're back. It's just 1 minute before the market closes and nasa 6718.50 ang ating index. But before we get to that, just like to share with you this, yung news about Converge. Converge unit gets green light to provide connectivity services in Singapore. Yan po. So mukhang magandang balita for Converge. So mamaya tignan po natin ang nangyari kay Converge. Converge has secured Singapore's approval to sell international connectivity within the city-state as the company expands its international footprint. So effective January 3, Converge Singapore can start deploying telecommunications infrastructure and provide connectivity services and fiber optic cable capacity to wholesale and enterprise customers in the Southeast Asian city-state. Yan po ang latest news about Converge. So mamaya include po natin si Converge sa ating technical analysis. In the meantime, let's check the PSE. Okay, 6718.50, up 132.49 points or 2.01%. Tignan natin yung market activity. 122 ang umabante, 72 ang bumaba at 47 ang hindi nagbago. Ang all-share index ay umakyat ng 1.74%, samantalang lahat ng sectoral indices ay umakyat, led by properties at 3.53, followed by services at 2.79. Yung most active stock is TEL, followed by Ali, ACEN, BDO, SM, SMPH, and Converge. So, ito po ang reviewin natin. Si TEL, which went up 6.86%. Then Ali, ACEN, BDO, SMPH, and Converge. Yun po ang 6 na yan ang titignan natin. So, let's start with TEL. By the way, kung hindi pa ninyo napapanood ang aking video tungkol sa dividend yields ng mga REITs, yung revised po, ay marami po kayong makukuha doon at matututunan. So, mga less than 10 minutes lang po yan. Okay. Si TEL ay green engulfing candlestick with a slight above average volume. So, masasabi ba nating breakout to? I wouldn't say. Ito ay green engulfing lang po. At mapapansin po ninyo, meron pong gap dito na malapit na pong ma-fill, ano? Kasi po, ito po ay umakyat ng mas mataas kaysa dito sa closing o sa opening price noong December 19. Yung opening price po niya is 14.35. Nasa 14.48 po si TEL, gaining 93 pesos or 6.86% up. So, tulad ng sinasabi ko po, ito po ay isang oversold level nung December 19, 20, at 21. So, kung kayo po ay bumili po dito, kumikita na po ang inyong investment. Okay? So, bihira po overbought or oversold ang PLDT. So, ito po ay patuloy na umakyat, although bearish pa po in the medium and long term, pero mas mataas na po ang presyo niya kesa po sa short term moving average natin na nasa 14.16. So, malapit na po siyang umakyat po dito sa area to. So, ito po ay the nearest resistance, masasabi ko pong nandito, no? Yan, sa 57.27. Yan po yung nearest resistance niya. Kasi ito po is resistance level. Kasi po dito po meron pong support na naging resistance at ito po ay resistance point. Pero ang higher resistance ay nandito po. Nasa 17.26. So, bullish po si TEL in my view on the short term as it continues to rise. Ano? RSI is nasa gitna na po. Okay, next we have Ali. Kasi number 1 po ang properties ngayon. Uy, patuloy na umakyat si Ali. Nasa 31.25. 85 centavos up 2.8%. And it is bullish. So, paakyat po si Ali. At masasabi po natin na ang paakyat po ang trend ng kanyang stock. Mag-draw nga tayo ng parallel channel. Ito po siya. Yan. Yan po ang kanyang parallel channel. And with a slight overshoot. Ano? Pero yan po ang aking nakikita sa Ali. Kung titingnan po natin ang fundamentals ni Ali, si Ali ay land buy rating siya kay BDOSEC with a target price of 38 pesos or a 25% upside. Yan. Pero according to the news, may headwinds sa property sector, no? Okay. And then, si ACEN naman. Naku, bullish din po si ACEN, no? At meron po siyang surge dito. 4.76 po ang kanyang akyat. Pero hindi ko po masabing breakout po ito. Well, breakout of sorts dahil meron po siyang volume pero ang surge po niya ay hindi po siya highest in the past 2 weeks. Ito po ay 4.86 kahapon. Ngayon po ay 4.76. Ano, halos pareho lang. Pero ang kaibahan po nito ay meron po siyang volume at meron po siyang oversold level or overbought level na po dito po sa RSI. Pero hindi ko po masabing ma-breakout dahil one of the rules of the breakout is that merong volume and the surge or the increase is the highest in the past 2 weeks. Pero hindi po kasi siya highest in the past 2 weeks. Pero I think this is just a continuation of the engulfing green candlestick here. Pero breakout of sorts po ito, hindi ko masabing pure breakout. So, ang pinaka-support niya, nasa 759. And yung na-reach na 840, high po niya ngayon. The next resistance, nasa Support and resistance, hindi po yan exact point areas po siya. Then next is BDO. Si BDO, nag-surge siya. Meron po siyang surge, although this is not a breakout. May continuation po siya in yesterday's increase, ano? Closing price yesterday was 107.90. Right now, it is at 111.50 or a 3.34% increase. So, if we will be drawing a Darvas box, ito po yung range of movement ni BDO. The lower is at 104 to 105 forms our support, and the upper border is 113.6, which forms our resistance, and bullish na po ito. Short, medium, and long-term bullish kasi mataas na po yung kanyang candlestick eh. Wala pong study si BDO SEC sa BDO because of delikadesa, I would assume. Okay, next we have SMPH. Si SMPH ay meron din siyang surge dito ha. So 1 peso 70 centavos up or 4.85%. So it's basically under the candlestick, but on the whole it is moving sideways. Again, a Darvas box, if we'll be drawing, nasa resistance point na po si BDO. Yung ating RSI, although slightly above, abangan po natin ang susunod na kabanata dahil ang tingin ko po sa indicators natin ay just moving sideways with the possibility of an upside. So the lower border, which forms our resistance, or support rather, is 33.50, and the resistance is at 36.84. Now fundamentally, ang SM Prime Holdings may buy rating po siya with a target price of 40 pesos or a 14.1% upside. Pero yesterday's prices po yan, 35.05. Ngayon po ay nasa 36.75. Mga 14% upside po si SM. Then Converge. Yan, umakyat po sa Converge ng 8.67%. Dati po ay oversold po siya, nag-overbought. It reached a near oversold level here at ngayon maakyat po siya muli, Ang pinaka previous support po niya, yan, nasa 12.85. The higher support, I think this is resistance level na po. Yan po, 1680 po ang resistance level, 1660. So this area is already resistance level, Pero meron pong malakas na upward trend ang stocks in the short and medium term, Kasi yung long-term indicator nasa ilalim na rin po, but the medium and short term is well under, and the RSI is bullish at 63. So magandang balita po ito, yung kanyang news that they will be providing connectivity services in Singapore. Okay, yan po ang ating report sa stock market ika-4 na Enero. Ito po si Benji Chidoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.